records eBook. As you can see, the next one in this in headers form, you can see there's an extra button, Biashara Records. And you can initiate the system. You can initiate system where you click and it creates. First of all, you have to authorize. Click on advanced and then you click to proceed and then you give it a permission to edit, delete, and create and save in Google and save in the drive, in the Google Drive. So all sheets are created at the headers. As you can see, the system setup complete. Now fill business details. Let's go and fill business details. But put business name. The business name will be displayed on the the PDFs, the header of the PDFs. It's a simple one. Doesn't have so much. You can see we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sheets. We only have 8 sheets. Business details have been saved here. You can place an URL here, a logo URL that can also be displayed. This is top inventory, sales, expenses, internal ledger, profit and loss, and balance sheet. So let's go to create an inventory. So let's create inventory one. Inventory one. Buy 10 shillings 50, selling 10 shillings 90. Stock, let's put to initial stock, or you can just leave it. Stock level alert. You have put stock level alert is 0. But let's change. You can also change it here. Stock level alert. Stock valuation will appear here. Stock inventory will appear here. So this is a report. Let's create another report, another inventory. Inventory 2. Buying price 50, selling price 200. Stock valuation 5. Stock current opening stock will just put stock alert 0. But the stock alert does not happen in this system. Inventory is updated and you can see inventory value, balance sheet. Also this button update. All reports have been updated. It gives a notification here, the bottom right. So let's create an expense by restocking. And in restocking, you can create a rent, but we want to restock. restocking. So this one is a little bit, when you are restocking, let's put inventory quantity you add, let's say 10,000, or you can also add a new buying price, but it's optional. If you leave it empty, it gives the old buying price. Supplier description, stock restock. So you can see you added, you have to know the price of this stock so that you can multiply with this stock quantity you have added and place the amount here. So as currently I have a calculator here, I can just open it, and the stock was 50 shillings times 10,000, which we want had to do. Then we add one, two, three, other zeros. That is the amount. And also you put the amount before discount. Amount before discount. So you have to do it manually because you're stocking the stock. You have to know the stock you want to stock and know the amount. Just do that quick math, and then you place the amount there. You can also add a discount in form of percentage or amount. Uh, Inclusive tax type, inclusive or exclusive tax rate, editable, and you click bank or M-Pesa, how you paid them, and do update and update stock, and a PDF will be generated. Let's wait for it to create, to update. Update has been done. Let's go to expenses and check how how the PDF looks like. Here is the expense. Expense has been created. Let's come here to this link. Is it the drive? Has been created. Open it and expense receipt. Shows you the company details here. Vendor, category, restock inventory, description, restocked item. Here it has been written, and then QR code. When you scan this QR code, these are the details. These are the details that will display, and it automatically saves on your drive, on your Google Drive. So this is just a link that you can view. Now let's create a cell. You can see the general ledger has been posted, and we come here to inventory. It has been stocked. Inventory number one has been stocked by price. So let's stock this one again. Let's see stock. It's 150. The amount is 150. Product 2. Inventory 2. Let's stock again 10,000. Inventory 2. Amount was 150, and then we have restocked. Let's place 150, and we have restocked this one. We just add these 4 zeros, and that is the amount before discount. You just update to bank. This one has no the bank statements. We just record whether it has been paid. The payment would have been paid either in cash, bank, or M-Pesa. You can see again here the inventory that we stock valuation has happened here. Also, you can change this part here. This part here. This part here going downwards. You can come here to format. You can just format it to the currency. To currency. The accounted currency here. Let's just place this finance. Yeah, that one. That one's more better. You can change. Also in this part, you can change the prices. Let's make a sell now. Let's look at these other expense. PDF has been created. Same way. PDF. Let's create a cell. One cell. The cell looks like you enter the customer name. Just type in the customer name and the contact, an email or the phone number. Choose from inventory. You can see here the stock, the initial stock and the price. It's written. But this one, the update itself. Let's say 5,000 or 8,000 stock. Discount. You can say you can just record by a bank, credit, M-Pesa or cash. Let's put bank and we generate the cell. Click OK. Let's go to sales. Here's the sales page, and we can take a look at this PDF. That's how PDF looks like. Same way the expense, the sales receipt, time, and date. And you remember this PDF cannot be updated when you try to edit directly at this area. What you can do is just delete a line and to create again the cell. The balance sheet, it's okay. You can see the profit and loss. It auto update itself, balance sheet, and also you can click update or reports, and reports will be updated if it's not updated. But these reports just auto calculate itself during the time it has been made. Inventory value, cash at hand, tax, net tax payable, total tax paid, tax collected. You can see net profit, total expenses, gross profit, cost of goods sold, total sales. So balance sheet, inventory value, cash at hand, total assets, tax payable, total liability, and equity. So that's it. It's just a simple one. And also you can add a link URL and the logo will display at PDF. Also you can change this part here and format it to this one here. To start the double entry in online face to So that's it. It's a simple one. It's not that complicated to read.